What is up, guys? Yugi here, or Private Masters, and the gameplay in the background is something that I literally just recorded. I ended up hitting an insane shot. The guy was all the way across the map. But yeah, that's not what we're here for. We're here for the giveaway. So, I need to hit 100 subs before I can do this. Right now I only have 1 sub because I just started the channel, but I have 20 fidget spinners, and I need 100 subscribers so I can do that. Everybody will have a fair chance. All you gotta do is like this video, subscribe, comment why you think you should get one, and I'll be picking 20 people from the comments. That's pretty much it. Simple. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now just enjoy the rest of this gameplay and the shot that I hit. Peace out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've always wanted to. Oh my god. Oh my god, he was all the way across the damn map.